Hello everyone. I am Bhumika Sharma, the Marketing Manager of North India of Q College. Today I'm hosting this webinar on behalf of Net Worth Immigration to guide all the students, those who are interested to study in Canada, about our programs that we offer at Q College. In today's session, I will be discussing about the programs along with the fee structure and our admission requirements. To catch all the information about Q College, please stay tuned in our today's session. At the end of this session, I will also be taking up the questions and queries from all of the viewers, and I will be answering your queries in the end of this session. So if you have any queries or questions during this session, please put it up in the comment section. I will be answering to it by the end of the session in the Q&A session. So let's get started with today's session. First of all, I'm hoping that everybody is staying indoors and staying safe. I would like to introduce Q College to everyone. So Q College is a college which is located in British Columbia province in Canada. It is established in 1997 and it's a 22-year-old institution today. Q College has two campuses, one of which is located in Victoria, which is the capital city of British Columbia, and the second campus is located in Vancouver, which is the second largest city of British Columbia. Now, let us talk about these two cities. So, Victoria is the capital city of British Columbia and it has very low cost of accommodation. So, anybody who's looking to study in Victoria can definitely choose our Victoria campus. And the temperature range is also quite warmer as compared to the other regions of Canada. Now, talking about Vancouver as a city, so Vancouver again is a city which is quite warmer as compared to the other regions of Canada, and it has been ranked as the world's most livable cities in terms of food, water and air quality that it has to offer to all of the people that are living in Vancouver. So to talk about the temperature, Victoria during summers has a temperature range of 11 to 20 degrees centigrade, while winters the temperature ranges from 4 to 8 degrees centigrade. Now, talking about Vancouver, the temperature during summers in Vancouver ranges from 25 to 28 degrees centigrade, while in winters the temperature ranges from 2 to -5 degrees centigrade. Now, which is quite warmer as compared to the other regions of Canada. So these are the two cities majorly where our campus is located, Victoria and Vancouver. Now, moving on, I would like to talk about our accreditations of Q College. So Q College is a DLI approved institution, and you can check for our designated learning institution number on the canada.cic.ca website. We have also been ranked by EQA, which is Education Quality Assurance. Now, EQA is a designation given to all the public and private institutions who meet or exceed the quality standards set by the province of British Columbia of the education. So, since Q College provides quality education to the students, we have been ranked by EQA. Moving on, I would like to talk about the programs that we offer at Q College. So we offer UG Diploma programs at Q College, upon the successful completion of which the students will be eligible to take transfer and take pathway programs to our partner institutions. Now, let us talk about the programs in specific. So we have Business Administration program, and we also have Business Administration and Web Tech Specialty program. Now, let us talk about the requirements for both of these programs. So at Q College, we accept IELTS, PT and TOEFL, all the three English proficiency examinations course. जिन students ने IELTS, PT, TOEFL किया है, all of them are, if they meet our admission requirements score-wise, then yes, they are meeting our requirements, and we'll be issuing the offer letters to them for Q College as well. So we also accept Duolingo as well as IELTS Indicator at the moment, which are the online English proficiency examinations course. We know that majority of the students, because of COVID-19, cannot actually go and appear for IELTS and PTE. So we are giving the option for the students, those who appeared for either IELTS Indicator or for Duolingo, they are also acceptable at Q College. So अगर आपने IELTS, PT, TOEFL, Duolingo या फिर IELTS Indicator कोई भी exam दिया है, it is completely acceptable at Q College. Now, for Business Administration program, our requirement for IELTS is 5.5 overall, not less than 5 in any of the modules. For PTE, our score requirement is 50 overall with no band less than 45 points. And for TOEFL, our score requirement is 67 overall. For Business Administration and Web Tech Specialty program, our requirement for IELTS is 6 overall, not less than 5.5. For PTE, our score requirement is 54 overall and 54 in each of the modules. And for TOEFL, our score requirement is 71 points overall. So these are our score requirements when we talk about English proficiency examination scores. Now moving on, I'd like to talk about our academic requirements. So at Q College, we accept students those who have 55% overall in their grade 12. We also accept students those who've done diploma after their grade 10 instead of grade 12. But your score should be same, which is 55% overall. So if you have 55% overall and you've appeared for grade 12 or diploma, you're completely acceptable at Q College. We do not accept 1-year diploma students, but we do accept 2 years diploma or more. So if you have done a diploma of 2 years, 3 years or 4 years, you're completely acceptable at Q College. We also accept students those who have GAP. So GAP is completely acceptable at Q College. And we also accept students with open boards and distant learning. So yes, these are our requirements when we talk about the academics. Now moving on, I would like to talk about our fee structure at Q College. So हमारा application fee जो है that is 150 Canadian dollars, and our tuition fees, our average tuition fees or the range of the tuition fee annually at Q College ranges from 13,500 Canadian dollars to 13,800 Canadian dollars, which is quite affordable. Guys, we are located at 2 locations, Victoria, Vancouver, and our fee ranges from $13,500 to $13,800. So this is about the fee structure. Now, I would like to talk about why should a student choose Q College to study. So at Q College, we have small classroom sizes. We do not accommodate more than 20 to 30 students in any of our classroom because we do want to maintain our student to teacher ratio. So to maintain that ratio, we do not accommodate more than 20 to 30 students. We want every student to be able to interact with the teacher, and we also want every teacher to be able to pay attention to all the students in the class. We focus more on the research projects than just the assignments at Q College. So assignment is something that the students do on their own, while as research projects is something that the students do under the assistance or the guidance of their professors. So at Q College, we focus more on the research projects which the students do under the guidance of the teachers rather than just going for the assignments. We also help the students develop professionally, as well as we also focus on their overall professional development while they're studying at Q College. We also offer the academic transfer option to the students, their credit transfer option to our partner institution. So any student who will be studying at our business administration program will be getting a transfer to Vancouver Community College. So Q College has got articulation from Vancouver Community College, and the students studying at business administration program at Q College will be eligible to transfer their credits to either a degree program of Vancouver Community College or to a diploma program of hospitality management at Vancouver Community College. So the students can either opt for a 1+1 diploma or 1+3 degree option with Q College as well as Vancouver Community College. So these are some of the points and benefits that students can definitely avail if they choose Q College to study with. Now I would like to talk about some of the IT facts and figures, IT-based facts and figures based in British Columbia itself. So there are about 1,000 employment opportunities in the IT sector based in British Columbia, and there are about 7,170 employment opportunities in just British Columbia as computer programmers as well as computer analysts. Now, we all know that IT is not something that is related to just being a computer programmer or a network analyst or a system analyst. There are a number of employment opportunities in the IT sector today. So every industry is associated with IT industry today, whether it is multimedia industry or medical sciences industry, or whether we talk about the architectural industry. So every industry has a section of IT sector incorporated in it, which is quite self-explanatory how many job employment opportunities are there in British Columbia. So any student who is looking for going for a web tech specialty or web development program, he can definitely choose Q College to study for that program. We are open for our September intake, and we are offering online offer letters for our September intake to all the students who will be meeting our admission requirements. So if you have any question related to Q College, our programs, our admission requirements, or location, or the procedure of how to apply, you can definitely put up in the comment section, and I will be answering your questions. Further to this, any student who wants to get his file assessed so that he can know whether he's meeting the admission requirements or not, please share your educational documents with Net Worth Immigration. Their helpline number is available on their Facebook page, as well as their email IDs is mentioned on their Facebook page. You can simply share your documents on an email or on their WhatsApp, and their team of counselors will get in touch with you. They will counsel you and they will guide you with your visa filing, and they will help you choose the right program according to your profile. So please do share your educational documents, because that is the only way how we can assess if you are meeting the admission requirements or not. Okay, so I would like to answer the questions that I have received from the viewers. Okay, the partner institution of Q College is Vancouver Community College, which is again located in British Columbia. So Vancouver Community College is our partner institution for Q College, where the students will be eligible to transfer their credits after they study for the business administration program. So बच्चों के पास दो ऑप्शन रहेंगे, वो 1+1 2 years का complete diploma कर सकते हैं, 1 year in Q College, 1 year in Vancouver Community College, and they can also do 1+3 years of degree, which will be 4 years degree, 1 year in Q College and 3 years in Vancouver Community College to the hospitality management program. All right, backlogs. So backlogs are completely acceptable at Q College. Khushi, if you have any backlogs, it is completely fine as long as आपका overall score 55 percentile है. We are more than happy to issue you the offer letter. But I need to have a look at all of your educational documents to make sure कि आप सभी score requirements को meet कर रहे हैं. So please share your educational documents with Net Worth Immigration, and they will let you know more about it. Admission requirements. Okay, Khushbu is asking about the admission requirements. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, हम IELTS, PT, TOEFL तीनों ही scores accept करते हैं, and we also accept Duolingo as well as IELTS indicator. So इनमें से अगर आपने कोई भी exam दिया है, you are completely acceptable. Then we accept a 5.5 overall, not less than 5 for the business administration program for IELTS. And अगर आपने PT किया है तो score requirement है 50 overall, not less than 45. अगर आपने TOEFL किया है तो score requirement है 67. Now this is for business administration program. If you want to go for another program which is business administration and web tech specialty, then our score requirement for IELTS is 6 overall, not less than 5.5. For PTE, it is 54 overall and 54 in each of the modules. And for TOEFL, it is 71 points overall. अगर मैं एकेडमिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स की बात करूं तो ग्रेड 12 में स्टूडेंट का 55 परसेंटाइल ओवरऑल होना चाहिए. इफ़ नॉट, अगर आपने डिप्लोमा किया है तो हम 1 साल का डिप्लोमा एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. वी एक्सेप्ट अ डिप्लोमा ऑफ आइदर 2 years और मोर. सो इफ यू हैव डन डिप्लोमा ऑफ 2 years और मोर, द स्कोर रिक्वायरमेंट्स रिमेन द सेम, विच इज़ 55 परसेंटाइल ओवरऑल. So Khushbu, this is the score requirement for academics as well as for your English proficiency examinations. So yes, please share educational documents with Net Worth Immigration. They will give you a more detailed explanation, and they will let you know which program suits your profile the best. So I request, please do that. I am open, guys, for more questions. If you want to ask me more questions, please put it up in the comment section. And further to this session, if you put up any of the questions in the comment section, Team Net Worth Immigration will definitely be answering all of your queries. But do give them a call on their helpline numbers to get free of cost counseling. For more information about Q College, you can go to the official website of Q College, which is www.qcollege.com. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, and you can stay updated with all the events that are taking place at the campus every now and then. So we are available on Facebook. We have our own page when we're also available on the website, of course. So to find out more about our location, our campuses, and our programs, you can go to the official website of Q College. Yes, that is definitely something that you guys can definitely do. If you have any questions, please let me know. Well, now I will leave. For my for the day from this session, and I would like to thank Team Net Worth Immigration. If there are further questions, please put it up in the comment section. We will be answering all of your comments, and Team Net Worth Immigration will definitely be answering all of your questions and queries. Again, please do share our educational documents, because उसके बिना हम आपकी फाइल असेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम आपकी प्रोफाइल असेस नहीं कर पाएंगे. So please do that, and let us know if you have further queries. I'm hoping that everybody is staying indoors and staying safe. Everybody please take care. I would like to thank again the team Net Worth Immigration to have me on their Facebook page to connect with such good audience today. Thank you so much and have a nice day.